Captain shot twice, triggering a massive manhunt. On December 13th, 2024, in the town of St. Johnsbury, Vermont, St. Johnsbury Police Captain Jason Gray, Officer Jasmine Hendry, and several other officers were dispatched to a multi-unit apartment building on Portland Street. They had received a report of a domestic assault, allegedly occurring at the residence of 38-year-old Scott Mason. Initial information indicated there was a female victim, and that the suspect might still be inside the building. Captain Gray knocked on the front door of the building. The door was unlocked and no one answered, so he and Officer Hendry went inside.
Hey! What's going on?
That one's broken. I don't know if it's recent. Oh, shit!
Oh my God!
Flashbang! 687, 680, we have flashbangs going off me. Captain's up there.
As they went upstairs, the woman believed to be the domestic assault victim was in one of the rooms. Captain Gray continued walking toward the hallway when a gunshot suddenly rang out and a pellet round struck him. He moved back toward the doorway, trying to find cover. Gray drew his firearm, looked back down the hallway to locate the shooter, and fired one round in self-defense. That shot did not strike the suspect or anyone else.
Captain's up there. Come on. Get down.
Get me a fucking ambulance.
Despite his injuries, he tried to make his way down the stairs on his own, while other officers had not yet been able to reach him. During this time, Captain Gray saw a man he recognized as Scott Mason holding a handgun. Mason then reportedly fled the building through a second-story window.
A7, 680, we need an ambulance now. This is my son. A7, watch out the window. This is my son. Out of the windows.
686, 680.
687, 680, we need an ambulance now. Where are you? Are you hit with a flashbang or bullet?
Bullet in the face.
87, 680, do you copy? We need an ambulance. Sit down, sit down. Here.
Oh.
Hold on. Sit down. We're going to the hospital. Come on, sit down.
Oh, shot in the fucking arm.
Sit.
Go. Just go.
Fearing significant blood loss, and given the seriousness of Gray's injuries, Officer Hendry decided not to wait for an ambulance, and instead placed Captain Gray in a patrol car and drove him to the hospital herself.
You need a tourniquet.
Just go.
Are the lights on?
Give me the radio. Relax, it doesn't do any good if
Why is it so much?
Tanks are 680.
What do you need? I'll do it on my portable.
Pay attention.
I got it. I'm transporting the
Slow the fuck down.
No, we're
Go to
fine.
hospital on the right.
We're fine.
Hospital.
Paul's gonna take the interstate.
No.
Okay, give me the mic. A2 is hit. I'm taking him to the hospital.
Spray attention, you know.
I got it.
Oh my God.
Which arm? Left?
Both in the face.
I can't believe you got it.
Don't crash.
I'm not gonna crash. I'm a good driver. It's fine. I got us.
On the way, Hendry drove as fast as she safely could, repeatedly checking on Gray's condition and encouraging him to stay awake and alert.
Is your body cam still on?
680,
You want it off?
682 has been hit.
Let's go.
We have one inside, as far as we know, with a weapon. 10. Like EMS fire to stage at this point, then it's 10-4, 682 is en route to the cruiser.
She also held on to Gray's injured arm, apparently trying to help him remain conscious until medical staff could take over.
I know, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay.
Slow down so we don't crash.
We're not gonna crash. I got it. It's okay. I got it. You just keep talking. Eyes open. Keep talking. Keep talking. You're okay. Okay, it's gonna be okay. You're alright. Keep breathing. Keep talking too. Can you talk to me, please?
Don't worry.
I'm worried about it. Please keep talking. You're okay. What the fuck? Where? Sorry. It's okay. It's alright. We're almost there. Almost there. You're okay. It's alright. It's alright. Stay there. Wait, don't get out. Don't get out. Wait. I'm gonna... Let me get a wheelchair, okay? Stay right there.
Just go. Just let go.
No, I'm not. You have to.
Just let go.
Gray was transported to the nearby Northeastern Vermont Regional Hospital. He arrived at the hospital still conscious.
He's Jason Gray. He's been shot. A couple of times. Been shot. What is it?
2773.
327.73. Right here. Sit right here for me. Where has he been shot?
Everywhere.
I don't know. A couple went off.
Can you make sure that they have the right first aid?
They do. I gave it to him.
He was later transferred to Dartmouth Hitchcock Medical Center for more advanced treatment. His injuries were considered serious, but not life-threatening. Immediately after the shooting, the Vermont State Police took over the investigation and led a large-scale manhunt. Multiple law enforcement agencies assisted in the search for Scott Mason. An arrest warrant was issued for Mason on initial charges, including attempted second-degree murder and aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer. The incident shocked the local community. The town of St. Johnsbury and the FBI both offered rewards for information leading to Mason's arrest, with the total reward reaching $50,000. In the early morning hours of December 15th, 2024, after a 2-day manhunt, Scott Mason was taken into custody at a house located right next door to the shooting scene, also on Portland Street. Reports indicate that Mason resisted and acted aggressively during the arrest. After his arrest, Mason was quickly brought before the court. At his initial appearance, he pleaded not guilty to the charges. By that time, the charges had been elevated to more serious offenses, including attempted first-degree murder, aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer, multiple firearms-related offenses, and other counts. Mason was ordered held without bail. Meanwhile, Captain Jason Gray continued his treatment and recovery. A few days later, he was released from the hospital after doctors determined his condition had stabilized, although he still needed time to fully recover from the pellet wounds. The investigation did not end with Mason's prosecution. By January 2025, the Vermont State Police had arrested 6 additional individuals accused of helping Scott Mason evade law enforcement after the shooting. They faced charges including accessory after the fact and assisting a fugitive. At the same time, the Vermont Attorney General's office conducted an independent review of Captain Gray's use of force during the incident. On September 18th, 2025, the Attorney General announced its findings. Captain Jason Gray was justified in using potentially deadly force. Investigators concluded that, at the time he fired his weapon, Gray had reasonable grounds to believe his life was in danger and was justified in using his firearm in self-defense. As of November 2025, Scott Mason remains held without bail while awaiting trial. He continues to face multiple serious charges, including attempted first-degree murder. On that charge alone, If convicted, he could face a potential life sentence. The criminal proceedings against Mason are ongoing, and there has not yet been a final verdict from the court. In domestic violence situations where a suspect may be armed, things can turn life-threatening in just seconds. Following officers' commands and not hiding or helping a suspect escape are critical to keeping everyone safe.